Hi, it's Barry Joyce here, and I want to shoot this quick video just to show you exactly how to access your free resources. So from the link that you have clicked, you'll be taken to this page here. Now from here, what we need to do is create an account first. Now the account is free, and the main reason we ask you to to create an account is to stop internet bots and also to prevent hackers and to keep your account safe. So it is free, and all it simply is just an email address. So all you would do is just click login, and from login is just click up sign up, and then just enter your name and last name, email and a password of your choice in there. And a password, and then just click sign up. And as you can see there, you are successfully registered. So from there, what we need to do is you're on the home page of the Barry's Academy, and all we need to do, number of different ways. If you just scroll down, you will see here the category where it's got browse our top courses. So keep a check on this because we will be adding courses on a regular basis. And as you can see there, all the recently added courses, so you can just scroll along into there. Or what you can do is if you go up to this section here where it's got courses, and at the time of this course there is just the one category, but by the time you see this video there may be other categories added, and we will have a good selection of categories. But what we're interested in now is the free resources. So you click on the free resources, a drop down box or drop down menu, sorry, and then click on the free resources, and this will take you to all the resources that is free. So as you can see there, we have a selection of free resources available for you to download. And again, like I said before, just make sure you keep checking it because we will be adding more resources on a regular basis. So once you've browsed through the free resources and there is a particular resource or a course that you like, you will just click on the actual course link, which will take you to this page here. And from here, what you can do, you can read through it. If you don't want it, or you don't want to sign up to that course at this moment in time, you can just add it to your wish list. Or if you want to download the course, all we need to do is just click get enrolled, and that is it, successfully enrolled. But you must be logged in order to be enrolled. Now this will become your dashboard. So this will be your personal dashboard using the email and also the password that you've created on the sign up. And from your dashboard, you've got a number of different things there. If, like I mentioned before, you've got your wish list, so anything that your wish list can go in there. Any messages you want to send to admin, if you've got any issues or anything like that, technical issues, then feel free to drop us a line using the messages. Then you've got your orders. We will have paid products as well if you wanted to pay for any of the courses. And then you've got your profile there, so you just click on your profile, and then you can give yourself a bio, add your links in there, so your Twitter, your Facebook, LinkedIn, if you have any, all your details. You can change your account details and also your avatar, so you can change your picture there. But if you go back to my courses, so that's the first course that we have successfully downloaded free. So all you will need to do to access it is just click start lesson, and there you go. So this will be taken to the video course. As you can see there, this is the video course, and then all you would simply do is just click play, and then your course will start, and you can just make your way through the courses. To go back, just simply click back to courses, and that is it. So you can actually start building up more and more free resources, and again, to do that, all you would do is just go back up to courses, free resources, select it, and let's say you wanted to download this free course here or training guide. Now we will have a variety of different resources and courses. We will have video training, we will have graphics, we'll have e-books. So there's going to be a variety of different ways to access, to download them. So some will be already uploaded onto YouTube, so you'll watch it from YouTube. Some will be PDFs where you can just download, print them off accordingly. But what we must do once you get your next course, in order to access it, you still need, although you have created an account, you just have to click get enrolled. Again, you don't have to enter any of your details, but you must enroll on that course, and then it will take you directly there. There you go, successfully enrolled, and look, it's in your course library there. So every time you log in now, the more resources you've got will all appear in my courses. Okay, so that is how to access your free resources, and it's exactly the same for any paid resources that you may choose to access. So if you have any problems, like I said, just go to messages, select on there, and just add in your details into the selected compose message, like there, send your message, and that'll go directly to the support ticket desk, where we will answer and reply as soon as we can. Okay, so that is it. So that's how you can access your free resources and any other paid resources you may wish to invest in. And just again, please remember to keep coming back, keep checking, because we will be adding more free resources on a regular basis. And also just remember that you can access more than one free resource.